Guys, welcome. I am Kapse Pooja, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KJ Somaiya College, Kopargaon. Last year, Savitribai Phule Pune University revised syllabus for M.Com class. So today we are going to discuss syllabus on business finance. In third semester, there will be 4 chapters. The first is business finance. In this chapter, we should discuss the following point. The first, meaning, objective, scope and importance. The next, time value of money. In this point, we should learn the needs, importance, future value, present value through discounted cash flows technique. The next chapter, strategic financial planning. In this chapter, we should discuss the following point. The first, meaning, objective, assumptions. Second, step in financial planning. Next, estimating financial requirement of firm. Limitation of financial planning. Next, capitalization. In this point, we should discuss the overcapitalization and undercapitalization. Next, theories of capitalization, and last, estimating financial need and source of finance. The next chapter is very interesting. Corporate securities and source of long-term finance. In this chapter, we should cover the following point. The first, ownership security. This point related to equity shares, preference shares and Companies Act. So in this point, we should cover their characteristics, advantages, disadvantages and Company Act amended 2013. The next point, creditor security. In this point, we cover the debenture, their characteristics, classification, procedure of issuing debenture and bonds. The next point, company deposit, and last, the dividend decision. In this point, we should learn the background of dividend policy, trend in dividend distribution in India, measure of dividend policy. And the last chapter, short-term finance and working capital management. In this chapter, we should cover the following point. The first, characteristics of short-term finance and short-term needs. The second, source of short-term finance, role of working capital, and best management practice of working capital. And the last point, financing of working capital, trade creditors, bank financing of account receivable, working capital, their advantages and disadvantages. Next video will be on business finance. So thank you.